Hello learners, welcome to PVK classes. Now we are continuing the classes. I think you have already experienced the previous episodes. Now I am teaching English grammar for Associate Professor Post Exam. Today's topic is about collocation of words. Generally question will be asked like this in the question paper. Choose the right collocative word and fill in the blanks in the following sentences. So this will be the question. Now, why should we learn collocation? The answer is your language will be more natural and it will be more easily understood by the listener. And you will have alternative and richer ways of expression in communication with others. So, collocation refers to a group of words that often go together or that are likely to occur together, such as wavy hair, table salt. Like that, we use combination of two words. Now that is called collocation of words. Let us study some more collocation of words. Now see here, there are four words, they are in black color. The first word is bullock, and in front of bullock in the bracket there are four words. The first one is carriage, the second one is cart, third one is wheels, and the fourth one is track. Now, which is the correct one? Of course, here I have already given the answers in red color. But in the examination, they will not give like this. So, we have to read and understand the situation and then select the right collocation. Now, see here whether it is a bullock carriage, bullock cart, bullock wheels, and bullock track. So, which is the right word goes with the word bullock? So, the correct word is CART, bullock cart. In the second one, cold. So, which word associates with cold? Is it cold tea or cold war or cold chance or cold time? Now, please note that after the Second World War, there was a Cold War between America and USSR. That is, Cold War is the correct answer. War is the correct one. I have already given in red color. That is the correct answer. Third one is conduct. Conduct plan, conduct survey, then conduct paper, conduct thoughts. Here, out of four words given in the brackets, the correct collocation of the word is conduct survey. So, you know, before constructing a house, they are conducting survey. The fourth one is, the word is convey. Now, convey deed, convey money, convey message, convey effort. Out of four words, the correct collocative word is message. Convey message. That means communicate message to somebody. Coming to next set of exercises, the first one is earth. Is it earth water, earthquake, earth land, earth oil? Sorry, earth soil. Now, we should make perfect matching of the words. So, it is always, you have heard about it, that is earthquake. So, quake is the correct collocative word to earth. The second one is fish. fish watering, fish sea level, fish dress, fish out of water. So you have already heard about fish out of water is the correct word. That means yesterday I went to marriage. I didn't know anybody there. I felt to fish out of water. So fish out of water is the correct collocative word. Coming to third one, independent. So independent Indian, no. Independent mission, no. Independent power, that is not the correct collocative word, whereas independent organ. So organ is the correct collocative word. Coming to fourth one, job. So job repair, so no question of repair. Job work, no. Job hunt, we are hunting for a job after graduation and post graduation. So job hunt is the correct collocation, whereas job finish, it is not the correct collocation. So the correct answer is job hunt. Let us see some more. The next one is land. So land quake, land house, landlord, land rain. So we say landlord and landlady. So landlord, it is a masculine gender. Therefore, correct collocative word is landlord. Second one is lay. L-A-Y, lay. Lay attention, lay emphasis, lay notice, lay order. Please remember, lay, it is a verb. Lay emphasis. The meaning of lay emphasis means give importance. Coming to third one, bullock. You know, bullock carriage. We say generally horse carriage, not bullock carriage. Then bullock cart, bullock wheels, bullock track. So the correct collocation is bullock cart. And the last word is cold, cold. So it is a cold war, not with any other words. So this way, collocation of words are very much useful in our day-to-day communication. Let's go to the next one. See here, conduct survey. Please remember, conduct survey is the correct collocation, not conduct plan, paper or thoughts. Coming to second one, curly hair. We say ungar gudlu. So curly hair is the correct collocation, not curly deed, curly money, curly effort. So the correct word combination is curly hair. Coming to make. So make violence is the correct one, not make weapon, make decision. Generally it is a take decision, not make decision. And ideas, form ideas. So the correct one is make violence. And the last word is nuclear. So we say nuclear earth, it is not the correct one. Nuclear weapon, this is the correct collocation. And during First and Second World Wars, there were many nuclear weapons, both by Americans and the Russians. Then nuclear violence, this is not the correct collocation. Nuclear attack, no. It is nuclear weapon is the correct word collocation. Coming to the next set of words. Now, we have got first word prescribed. So, doctor prescribes the medicine. So, therefore, prescribed medicine, or sometimes we say prescribed textbook by government. So, but here it is Prescribed medicine is the correct word, not other three words. Prescribe, talk, look, photo. They are not the correct collocatives. Coming to rapid. Rapid progress is the correct collocation of words, not growth or movement or speed. Now, rickety payment, it is not the correct one. And gloves, it is not correct. Bird, it is rickety bridge. This is the correct collocation of word. And coming to fourth one, running bag. So bag will not run. Running water, water is liquid. Therefore, running water. So door, no. Pencil, no. So the correct collocation is running water. So they want to test your vocabulary. Therefore, this type of exercise is introduced. Coming to next set of words, self-reproach. So reproach is a correct collocative word, not other three words like idle, cry, and truth. They are not. Self-reproach. Second one is small dash. Small water, it is not. Small needle, no. Small apartment, like small house, small apartment. So we don't say small hair. Generally, we say short hair. So therefore, the correct collocation is apartment, small apartment. So coming to third one, speedy. Speedy payment, it is wrong. Speedy attack, speedy progress. But it is speedy recovery of health. So recovery is the correct collocative word. And the last, fourth one under this slide is sugar. It is not sugar bread, not sugar cane is there. We grow sugar cane to make sugar. It is not sugar bag, sugar fruit. So the correct answer is sugar cane. So this way we have to be familiar with many words in English. Now this is just one of the exercises to make you thorough in understanding of collocation of words. With this, I conclude my class. Thank you very much for listening to me. Please like PVK classes and share it to your friends, and also subscribe this YouTube by pressing or touching the bell icon. Thank you very much. See you again.